What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my super DIY hair moisturizer. First, I start off with my hair mister that I bought from Sally's for about $7.99. Then I use distilled. Here I'm using purified water. You can use distilled water, whichever way, it doesn't matter. I fill the bottle up almost full, but not quite, just leaving enough room for the products, as you can see here. Next, I'm going to add my sweet almond oil that I got from Amazon. I love sweet almond oil. I use it for everything. My face as a moisturizer. And I add 4 pumps of the sweet almond oil. Next, I'm going to use my olive miracle that I got from Walmart, or you can get it from your local beauty supply store. And I think I put 4 drops of that in here as well. I love this moisturizer. It's really good. It smells really, really good. Then next, I use my jojoba oil. Jojoba oil that I got from the local beauty supply store as well. And I put 4 drops of the jojoba oil in my mixture. And next, I love peppermint oil. Yes, my favorite, because it opens up those pores. It gets that scalp open and that blood flow to your scalp. I add 4 drops of the peppermint oil. I use this to moisturize my scalp every 2 days. Then next, yeah, that looks really, really good. I love this mixture. Super, super softness, you guys. Super softness. So next, I add my Lotta Body Milk with Honey Nourishing Hair Leave-In Conditioner. I get this from local beauty supply store also, or you can get it at Walmart. This is a super rich leave-in conditioner. It's like butter. And I only add 3 pumps to this as well, to my mixture. Then next, I just put the top back on. And I just start shaking it crazy. Just shaking it. And you want to shake it until the mixture is fully dissolved, until that leave-in conditioner, you can't see those big clumps floating around anymore. So you just want to shake it until everything is fully dissolved. You have it. The mixture is complete. Everything looks good. And there you have it. A super DIY moisturizing spray, you guys. Real easy. It takes literally 5 minutes. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Subscribe and please like and leave any comments down below.